So I'm not sure if anyone else does this, but what I like to do is divide my hair into 4 sections, and I'll blow dry each section at a time. I'll never just take the blow dryer and just blow my whole entire head. I'll divide it into 4 sections. The Cantu Shea Butter Grow Strong Strengthen Treatment Cream. Definitely will drop this product in the description box below. And I also go in with the Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner. They're really good for my hair, so I will drop these 2 in the description box below.
Dried, you guys, straight and everything. I'm telling you guys, invest in this blow dryer. You're not, it's not. Invest in this blow dryer. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. So on to the next part. dried. So now I'm just going to take my blow dryer and just run it through my whole entire head. My whole entire head is now blow dried. So now I'm gonna go back with the Shea Butter Strengthening Cream and I'm going to apply it through my whole entire head. This much. Now we're going to get into the blow drying process. Just take the comb underneath the flat iron and bring both of them down at the same time. Really, 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 really slow. So I'm going to be doing that throughout the rest of the video. And once I'm done with this piece, I will definitely come back and show you guys the result. finished look. I flat ironed my whole entire head. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. That wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my hair routine. This is basically what I do to my hair, and every single product that I use, I will link it down in the description box below so you guys can go purchase them. But before I wrap up this video, I promise to show you guys the gummies that I use to keep my hair really long and healthy. So these are the Vidai Fusion Gorgeous Hair, Skin and Nails gummies that I use. So after I do my hair, I'll just take 3 of the gummies and just eat them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.